Salam everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you are part of the global Ethiopian diaspora and you've been dreaming about investing back home, then you absolutely need to watch this video. Today, we're breaking down the top 6 most profitable businesses you can start in Ethiopia right now. We're talking about sectors with massive demand, incredible return on investment, and serious long-term growth potential. This isn't just about making money. It's about building a legacy and contributing to the nation's growth. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's jump right in. Coming in at number 6 on our list is a classic for a reason: real estate development and rental properties. Let's be real, with Ethiopia's urban population booming, especially in cities like Addis Ababa, Hawassa, and Bahir Dar, the demand for housing is absolutely through the roof. People need places to live, work, and shop, and this demand isn't slowing down anytime soon. Diaspora investors are making a killing by developing apartment complexes, commercial spaces, and modern residential homes. Think about it. You could build a stylish apartment building and collect steady rental income for years. Or what about tapping into the tourism market with Airbnb rentals? A well-located, beautifully furnished apartment can be a gold mine. We're also seeing huge demand for student housing near universities and modern office buildings for the growing number of businesses. The best part about real estate is its stability. Land and property in Ethiopia have historically appreciated in value, making it one of the safest and most reliable investments you can make. It's a tangible asset that provides both cash flow and long-term capital gains. So if you're looking for a solid, high-return investment, real estate is a fantastic place to start. All right, let's move on to number 5, the import business. This one is a huge opportunity, especially for those of you living in North America, Europe, the Middle East, or Asia. Why? Because Ethiopia imports a massive amount of goods. I'm talking about everything from the latest smartphones and laptops to heavy construction machinery, auto parts, and critical medical equipment. You are already living in markets where these products are available at better quality and often at lower prices. The key is to become the bridge. By sourcing high-quality products from abroad and importing them legally and efficiently, you can meet a massive local demand while generating very healthy profit margins. The market for reliable electronics, genuine spare parts for cars, and modern machinery is enormous, not just in Addis, but in all the regional cities as well. Now, to succeed in this business, there are a few things you have to get right. First, you need to find reliable suppliers who can provide consistent quality. Second, you must understand Ethiopia's customs regulations and import taxes to avoid any costly surprises. And finally, start smart. Don't try to import everything at once. Focus on high-demand items with good margins to build your capital and your reputation. Get this right, and the import business can be incredibly lucrative. Now, for number 4, we're going back to our roots, but with a modern twist: agriculture and agro-processing. Everyone knows that agriculture is the backbone of the Ethiopian economy. But listen closely, the real money isn't just in farming the land. The true gold mine is in agro-processing, which is the process of turning raw agricultural products into value-added goods. This is where diaspora investors are absolutely crushing it. Instead of just exporting raw coffee beans, they're starting boutique coffee roasting businesses, packaging them beautifully, and selling them as a premium product both locally and internationally. The opportunities are endless. Think about honey processing. Ethiopia has some of the best honey in the world, and there's a huge market for pure, organic, packaged honey. Or what about exporting high-quality spices and herbs like berbera, mitmeta, or white cumin? We're also seeing successful ventures in fruit drying, creating healthy snacks from mangoes and bananas, and modern dairy processing to produce pasteurized milk, yogurt, and cheese. The international market is hungry for authentic, organic products from Ethiopia. By adding value through processing and branding, you can command a much higher price and build a globally recognized brand. Sliding into the number 3 spot is hospitality. This includes everything from hotels and guest houses to restaurants and cafes. With Ethiopian tourism making a strong comeback and thousands of diaspora members flying home for holidays, festivals, and family visits, the demand for quality accommodation and dining is soaring. People want comfortable, clean, and modern places to stay and eat. This is where you have a major advantage. Having lived abroad, you understand modern service standards, customer expectations, and design trends. You could open a chic boutique hotel in a tourist hotspot or a cozy, well-managed guest house in a residential area of Addis. A restaurant that offers a unique fusion of Ethiopian and international cuisine, or a modern cafe with great coffee and reliable Wi-Fi can become an instant hit. The key is to deliver an experience, not just a service. Focus on excellent customer care, cleanliness, and creating a welcoming atmosphere. The hospitality sector is all about reputation, and if you can build a name for quality and reliability, you'll have customers lining up, ensuring a fantastic return on your investment. Coming in hot at number 2 is a sector that is shaping the future of the entire country: tech and digital services. Ethiopia is in the middle of a massive digital transformation, and the pace of change is accelerating every single day. For anyone with a background in technology or digital business, this is your moment. The opportunities are absolutely explosive. You could start a software development company that builds custom solutions for local businesses, which are desperate to digitize their operations. Think about the demand for digital marketing agencies. Every company, big or small, needs to be online, and you can be the one to help them with social media management, content creation, and online advertising. The fintech space is another goldmine. With the rise of mobile money, there's a huge need for innovative payment solutions and financial apps. You could also develop mobile apps that solve local problems or build e-commerce platforms that connect sellers with buyers across the country. The government is actively supporting this digital shift, making it easier than ever to start a tech business. If you have the skills and experience from working in tech abroad, you can literally be a pioneer and build the next big thing in Ethiopia's tech scene. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The number 1 most profitable business for the Ethiopian diaspora to start right now is manufacturing, specifically on a small to medium scale. Why manufacturing? The answer is simple. Ethiopia imports almost everything. From the nails and screws used in construction to the clothes we wear, the furniture in our homes, and the plastic bottles we drink from. Most of it is made abroad. This massive reliance on imports creates an unbelievable opportunity to produce these goods locally. Starting a manufacturing business means you're not just creating a product, you're helping the country become more self-sufficient, creating jobs, and saving valuable foreign currency. The list of high-demand ideas is long. You could manufacture construction materials like cement blocks, roof tiles, or paint. The garment and textile industry is also booming, with opportunities to produce everything from t-shirts to traditional clothing. Think about plastic products like tanks, pipes, and packaging materials, which are always in demand. Or what about furniture manufacturing, using local wood to create modern designs? And of course, food and beverage processing, like bottling water, producing juices, or making packaged snacks. You don't have to build a giant factory overnight. You can start small, or even partner with existing local manufacturers to scale up. In terms of sheer profit potential and long-term impact, manufacturing is hands down the number 1 opportunity in Ethiopia today. So there you have it, the top 6 most profitable businesses for the Ethiopian diaspora. From the stable returns of real estate to the groundbreaking potential of tech and the nation-building power of manufacturing, the opportunities are real and they are massive. If you've been on the fence about investing back home, I hope this has shown you that now is the perfect time to make your move. With the right research, a solid strategy, and a passion for success, Ethiopia is a land full of incredible potential waiting for you to unlock it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next videos. I'm going to be doing a deep dive into each of these 6 sectors in upcoming content. Let me know in the comments which business you're most interested in learning more about. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer your questions. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.